How to use S Pen to access any app on your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First of all, remove the S Pen on your Samsung device. Now swipe down the notification panel from the top. Tap the setting gear icon. Now scroll up to advanced feature. Tap on advanced feature. Now tap on S Pen. Now make sure to toggle on the air connection. Tap on it. Now scroll down. Here you can see press and hold pen button. By default, when you press and hold button, you can see create note. Now here we select the calculator option. Now select any app you want to use. Now here we select calculator. When you press and hold pen button. Now press and hold the pen button and you can see access the calculator on your device. So it's quite useful feature to access any app on your device. Just tap press and hold pen button and select the option. Here we select the Chrome. Now press and hold the pen button. You can see open the Google Chrome on your device. So it's quite easy to access any app using the S Pen. That's it. If you like it, share it.